Hi guys, let's go. Let's go na, let's go na. Okay, mag-drop na po tayo. Maraming salamat. Oh my God, TikTok Universe! Yan ang magiging reaction ko.
Oy, wow!
Yan ang magiging reaction ko.
From AJ's Gifter.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oo, nahuhubad yung pants ko kasi. Tingnan nyo, nakatali pa yun, oh. Let's go, guys. Mag-drop na. Thank you so much.
Wow, Galaxy.
Thank you po. I love you. I love you.
Andito mama mo, andito si tita. Hello, tita.
Ma, nandito na ulit ako. Ma, mag-drop ka. TikTok Universe.
Oy,
nandyan lang. TikTok Universe. Try mo lang. Try mo lang. Wala nang pan-tuition yung kapatid ko nun. Let's go, guys. Mag-drop na po tayo. Gusto ko pong...
Thank you to our 1.8K viewers.
Ang goal ko po is
Let's go.
100K lang naman.
Oy.
Sige na.
Ang
Yan, ganun lang po naman yung... Pa 100K nyo na ako, guys. So, para makatulog ako. Thank you so much.
Wow! Nag-send nga si tita ng Rockstar.
Wow!
Wow, another Galaxy from Kia.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Match 1
Thank
from
you so
Adi.
much. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Love
Another
you, ma.
match 1 from tita.
Thank you, ma. Nandito kami ni Amanda.
Mishka Bear from Jelay.
Thank you so much.
Another Galaxy from Ai.
Thank you so much. Thank you sa lahat ng nagda-drop.
Tux, Mishka Bear.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Another Mishka Bear from Tux.
Thank you.
Another Mishka Bear from Tux.
Thank you so much. Sige pa. Oh, time's up na.
Okay, that's it, guys. Stop na muna tayo, guys. Later na lang ulit.
Tingnan natin.
Co-compute lang natin if Angge surpass Chanel. We have to compute if Angge surpass Chanel.
Thank you so much po sa lahat na nag-drop. I really appreciate it.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Yes. Nakatali na to. Natatanggal pa rin. Oh. Di ba?
Oh, pwede.
Ayaw kasi. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Yara, you...
Delayed. Baka delayed lang yan.
Oh, delay lang yan.
Delayed lang yan.
Tsaka lahat naman yan sinasama pa rin natin sa'yo. Guys, don't worry. Don't worry. All icons that you're sending to your favorite content creator will go to them. We will count it under them.
Yes, don't panic. It's organic.
Yes. Very, very organic.
Let's go.
Sige lang. We're just computing, guys. Give us a few moments.
Sige lang.
We're still
Take your
computing.
times. Love you too, ma. Wow.
Give us a few moments, guys. We're still computing.
Thank you so much. Arigato.
Okay, now we have Angge as top 1. Now we will have battle between Chanel and J. Rob.
Guys. Walang nagsisend. Paano yun? End live na tayo. Thank you, Simply Me. Thank you, Bing Bing. Ay, Bingenge, Bingenge. Thank you, Bea Bingenge. Thank you, Bea Bingenge. Thank you, RB. Thank you. It's Melly. It's Sandra. Thank you. I love your usernames. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Si Direk sabi, ano yun? Ano babay yun? Yeah, thank you so much, Arby. Hello, Tita Mami! Andito na kami sa TV. Hello po. Mabuti po kami dito ni Angge kung inyo pong natatanong. Thank you, Adi. Thank you, Avile. Thank you, Kimi. Bansun, Tita Mami. Ba't ang taba ko dito? Oh! Tita Mami, thank you po. Grabe. Tita Mami, baka magpa-TikTok universe ko. Magulat ako bigla. Wag naman po, Tita. Thank you so much, Bea Bingenge. Hala, grabe talaga si Tita Mami. Ang yaman-yaman. Nagsan sa'yo si Tita? Konti na. Guys, konti na lang. Please, guys, malapit na. Malapit. Ah!
Wow, future encounter from Kay.
Thank you, Kay. Thank you so much, Kay.
Galaxy from Ayi.
Thank you so much. Konti pa, guys. Drop some more. Drop some more, guys. Guys, drop some more. Drop some more. Drop some more,
Okay,
guys.
that's it for Amy. Stop muna tayo, guys. We will just compute for now kung pang ilan na si Amy ngayon.
Love it. Jaggy, si Lainey, Kuya Rayo. Thank you so much, Lainey.
Hello.
Apples, thank you so much, Apples. Thank you, Yayay. Hala, tapos na.
We will just compute, ha? We will just compute.
Counted yun, Kuya Ray.
Oh, ano? Yes. Ano yung...
Done na? Pwede pa naman daw mag-send, guys. Pwede pa mag-drop ng gifts. Basta i-comment nyo
Yes.
yung name namin kung kanino nyo
Yes.
yun din-drop. Pero guys, mas maganda, habang nandito ako sa inyong harapan, kayo ay nagbibigay na. Para magandang buhay natin, everybody. Thank you, Eka. Thank you, Bea Bingenge. Ganun talaga name mo.
Ayan, Kaya kagayang ganyan, Loreline. Loreline, i-comment mo yung name ni...
Thank you, Jagya.
Comment mo lang yung name ni
Ay,
Amy.
Jagya, lagay mo daw Amy for Amy. Comment daw for Amy. Ano pa? Apa.
Okay.
Apa.
Okay,
Hi
turn
po.
na ulit, ha? Compute lang namin for now. Pero lahat ng sinend nyo, masasama naman yun kay Amy. Pero later na ulit, compute lang natin.
Supportive. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you, guys. No, riyak ako, guys. Thank you po. Thank you, Tita Mami. Hello, pako-supportive. Thank you, Jagya. Thank you, Bea Binge. Guys. Oh.
Guys, we're just computing. Give us a few moments.
Ay, thank you, guys. Okay na daw po yun, guys. Later naman daw po ulit. Maraming salamat, Jagya, Tita Mami, Bea Bingenge, and sa lahat ng mga nagsisend pang iba. Thank you so much.
Okay, now Amy is in top 3. Now this is going to be a battle between Cassie and Bobby.
Asawa ko, magkalaban tayong inasawa ko.
Okay, now Bobby, we will give Bobby 2 minutes.
Guys, paangat tayo
2
kahit
minutes
umangat kahit dalawang angat lang para pag si Cassie naman, di ba? At least.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pabi, 2 minutes. Timer starts now.
Yan, let's go guys! Let's go, Cas Binatics! Come on! Yan. Ayaw pa naming ma-eliminate guys and gusto namin sana makakota kami yung sinabi po namin pagka...
Wow, Coral from Elizabeth!
Thank you, Ate Beth! Let's go guys, laban na ng mag-asawa to guys. Tulungan nyo kami guys. Kahit umangat lang ako ng dalawang angat tapos si Cassie naman. Kung kaya nyong itap, edi itap. Mas maganda, di ba? Baka pumasok din si itap. Itap-tap mo. Let's go, guys. Guys, 1 minute and ano na lang, 20 seconds, guys. Come on. Drop some icons po. Uy, paangat tayo, guys. Come on. Guys, 1 minute and 15 seconds na lang. Let's go, guys. Come on, let's go. Thank you. Thank you, Silent Fan. Help, help. Guys, drop kayo pagka kumota po kami. Mag-gym na po talaga ako tuloy-tuloy.
Wow!
Promise. Uy,
Star
thank you,
map
iCloud.
from iCloud!
Thank you, iCloud. Sana maka 50k kami lahat, guys. Sige na po. Guys, you know. Thank you. Sina? Thank you, Big Babia. Guys, more. Guys, more. Thank you, Jeannie. Guys, last 30 seconds, guys. Ay! Yung mga gusto pong mag-drop dyan, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa mga tumutulong po sa amin. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Jeannie. Thank you, Silent Fan. Let's go, guys. Last 15 seconds, guys. Come on. Let's go. Ah!
Few seconds to go for Pabi. Wow, manifesting from Vin. Okay, that's it for Pabi. Guys, mamaya na ulit.
Baka may last drop pa dyan, guys, habang kinukompute to. Pero pwede namang mamaya na lang ulit.
Oh guys, pero kung mag-send kayo ng anything big, comment nyo ha. Kung kay Pabi or kung para kanino. Anyway, for now, kinukompute lang natin. Kung mapupunta na pang ilan si Pabi.
Yes, Bean, what it eat? Uy. Gonna swing. Guys, huwag nyo kaming iwan ha. Bantayan nyo kami. Uy, maraming salamat guys. Alo. Good luck asawa ko.
Okay, now Pabi went to top 4. Now Cassie versus Lorna. Okay, Cassie. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Timer starts now.
Yes, let's go guys. Thank you po. Let's go. Kaya natin to. Magpakoto tayong lahat dito guys. Tulungan tayo. Let's go. Thank you, Jeannie. More. Let's go. Thank you, Rocky Heart. Thank you, Shy. Thank you. Ay, sino ba tataasan natin?
Wow,
Thank you, Ate
Coral
Beth.
from Elizabeth.
Ate Beth, thank you. Thank you, Rochelle Heart. Thank you. Saddam, Rochelle Wiskas. Thank you. Paige. Thank you, Paige. Thank you, Jeannie. Thank you, everyone. Let's go. Pataasin niyo po ako. Alam ko namang mataas na ako, pero pataasin niyo ako dito, guys. Yes, para everyday happy. Para lahat din happy. Let's go. Binaba ko talaga kasi bitin. Let's go, guys. Pangatin niyo ako! Ah! 50K! Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Oh, thank you, Pia! Ay, Cloud, thank you! Ay, thank you! Ayan, may 30 seconds pa. Let's go. Kaya yan. Kaya yan, guys. Meron tayong angel. May angel na parating. Promise. Nararamdaman ko. Thank you, Silent Fan. Thank you. Thank you, Ben!
Wow,
Thank you.
gem gun from...
Ayan. Silent Fan, thank you. Thank you, guys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, angels. Taro, angels. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Whiskas. Lorraine, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Last drop po, last drop. Ah! Ay, wala pa pala. Baka naman layon.
Okay, that's it for Cassie, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Kukompute lang namin.
Thank
Kukompute lang namin. Pantay lang po.
Laban tayo,
Kukompute namin.
guys. Kaya natin to. Laban lang tayo. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Let's go, TTU. Thank you so much, everyone. Kino-compute pa, guys. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, Cassie went to top 4. Now Lorna versus Chanel. Lorna.
Hala, tayo na naman siya, Nel.
Lorna, 2 minutes. Timer starts now.
Oo nga eh. Kantayin ko yung ili-ili. Chares. Guys, eh na. Rap na kayo, guys. Pakutan nyo na ako. Parang natapos na to. Thank you so much, Daddy Lorns. Pakutan nyo na ako, guys. Oo, universe nyo na yan. Goal. Goal pala, goal. Let's go! Wala akong ka-relationship goals. Kahit dito na lang maka-goal ako. Ay! Thank you so much, Shady! Thank you so much, Alvira. Thank you so much. Love you, Lorna.
Few seconds to go.
Thank you so much. Love you, Lorna. Halayin pa. Matagal na akong hindi nakakakita ng universe.
Wow!
Thank you so much, ate ko! Thank you so much, ate!
Wow!
Thank you so much, ate ko!
I think that will put Lorna
Thank
in
you so
our
much,
top one, I
ate!
think.
Thank you so much!
Wow, Lorna.
Guys, more. Charis.
Okay, we will just compute.
Thank you so much, ate ko.
But I believe this is going to be battle between Chanel and Pabi.
Thank you so much, ate ko. Guys, babae siya. Baka sabihin nyo lalaki siya kayong pangalan niya. Thank you so much, ate ko. Yay! Kota na. Goal na ako. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, babies. Mamaya ulit. Love you all. Love you. Love you. Gusto ko din na.
Okay, now, Chanel, 2 minutes. Timer starts now.
Hi guys! Drop some icon. Ilan pa tayo? Oh guys, konti lang din. Pero pwede naman din kayo magbagsak ng universe. Ayan guys, oo tama naman yung sinasabi niya. Help us reach our goal. Yeah, 50K po yung goal namin lahat for today. Help us! Drop any icons guys para tuloy-tuloy pa rin to. 2K. Ha! 5K ulit. De, joke lang. Any icons. Any icons.
Gusto ko si Arvin. Thank you, Kay. Thank you, Kay. Thank you, Supremo. Lucy Kay, ang yaman mo. Pengi pa ako. Thank you, Blue. Thank you, Supremo, Kyle. Sorry, guys. Di ko masyadong mabasa yung mga pangalan niya. Pero sana nababasa ko ng maayos, no? Thank you, Supremo, Kyle.
Wow, Galaxy from K.
Thank you so much, Kay. Thank you so much po. Thank you, Yaye. Thank you, Avile. Thank you, Supremo. Guys, konti pa. Konting-konti pa.
Wow, another Galaxy from Akira.
Thank you, Akira. Thank you, Jera. Jera, and thank you so much.
Okay, guys. Ngayon, i-compute muna natin. Yeah, compute lang muna natin, guys. Kung naabutan ba ni Amy si Chanel. But I think she did. Titignan lang natin ngayon kung ano nang magiging standing ni Amy kung pang-ilan na siya. Pang-ilan na kaya si Oy! Si Lori Lane nag-send pa ng autumn. Lori Lane, we just like to confirm. Kumpara kaninan we know naman na it's for Amy, pero i-comment mo lang dyan, Lori Lane. Laney. Comment mo lang Laney na na kung para kanino.
It's for me, di ba? Jagyo, thank you. Oh, Amy daw. Grabe ang yaman mo na.
Okay,
thank
you,
you so
Laney.
much, Jagya. Thank you.
Okay, guys, kino-compute lang natin.
Ang yaman
We're
niya,
just
no?
computing.
Grabe, asensado na talaga siya. Thank you, Jagya ko. Thank you, Jagya. Lahat yan para kay Amy. Wah! Grabe na talaga, Jagya ko! Ang supportive mo. Huwag ka mag-alala. Susuportahan din kita sa lahat ng gusto mo. Thank you, Jagya. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jagya. Thank you, guys.
Okay, now Amy.
Hello.
Second place with 30,000 plus now. Now it's a battle between Chanel and Angge. Chanel, I'll give you 2 minutes.
Guys, ipa-50K
2
niya
minutes
ako.
to surpass.
Isa lang ganun, oh. Roar, roar,
Angge.
roar. Ganun. Help
Okay,
me!
Chanel, 2 minutes. Timer starts now.
Guys, ayan, you can drop any icons. Ulitin ko, 50K yung goal namin for today. And I'm at 20 na. Ah! Baka naman, guys, isa lang ganun, no. Or di kaya, TikTok Universe, baka naman, para naman tapos na tayo. Thank you so much! Let's go, guys. Konting-konti na lang. Konti lang din naman pala yung lamang sa akin. Almost 100 lang. Sige na, wo. Isang titiyo lang eh. Or di kaya lion. Feeling ka meron ganon. Malakas pa naman ako mag-manifest. Guys, drop nyo na. Drop nyo na talaga. Promise. Drop nyo na. Huwag nyo na akong takutin. Sige. Oh, tama. TikTok Universe for everyone. Pag-goal nyo na kami. Let's go na. Roar, 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 roar. Sige na, wo. Sige na, wo. 30K na lang, wo. Roar, 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 roar. Layan, layan. Ah! Hoy, 40 seconds na lang. Teka nga. 40 seconds. Guys, drop na. Drop. Layon. Layon. Or di kaya TikTok Universe. Promise, mananahimik na ako pagkatapos nun. Drop, drop. Thank you so much, ma-float. Thank you. Guys, 20 seconds na lang po. Ah! Wala lang. Thank you, guys. Sara na. Drop, drop, drop. Drop. Ah! 10 seconds na lang. Ayoko na. Thank you so much po. Drop na kayo. Konti lang ilamang 1,000 lang talaga. Ah! Thank you.
Si Tonton, nagpa-fireworks.
Thank you. Wow. Nasaan yung roar? Roar, roar, roar. Roar, 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 roar. Isa lang. Wala pa akong layo tsaka TikTok Universe. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Guys, we're just computing.
Thank you. Roar, 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 roar. Grabe. 24 hours na naman tayo naka-live chat. Thank you so much sa lahat na nag-follow. Dahil dyan, mag-drop kayo ng mga icons sa amin. Thank you, guys. Ipag-goal nyo na kaming lahat. 50K ko yung goal naming lahat, guys. Let's go. Let's go na. Dun, dun, dun. Thank you so much! Hindi tuloy ako lalayas dito, guys. Guys, supportahan nyo kaming lahat. Okay na. Thank you!
Okay. Okay, guys. Now, Angge will have 2 minutes to surpass Pabi. Okay? Angge, 2 minutes. Timer starts now.
So, ayan guys, let's go. Alam niyo ba, di pa ako nakakita ng lion. Hindi din ako nakakita ng TikTok Universe. As in, never pa. Oh, kung never pa ako nakakita ng ganun. Pero kung gusto niyo ako ipakotak, wow! Thank you so much! Is Gifter, thank you so much! Thank you po! Thank you! Ipa-goal niyo na ako guys. Ang goal ko po is 50K. Pero kung gusto niyo ipa 100, let's go! Thank you po. Thank you. Sino yun? Thank you.
Wow!
Sino yun? Thank
AJ's
you.
Gifter.
Thank you sa lahat.
Thank you for the
Thank you
galaxy.
po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yun. Ang tagal pala nito, no? Let's go, guys. Mag-drop na kayo.
Oh guys,
Go po.
kaya naman send nyo na lahat, no?
Thank you,
Wow!
Ayi. Thank
Galaxy
you so
from
much.
Ayi.
Thank you so much. Guys, ipa-50k nyo na po ako. Masaya na ako pag ganun. Pero mas masaya ako pag 100k, di ba? Ayun! Thank you so much, Akira. Thank you.
Another
Maraming
galaxy from
salamat.
Akira.
Let's go. Patingin nga ako ng lion. Kung ayaw nyo yung pusa na lang.
Guys, keep on tapping the screen,
Let's
guys.
go, guys. Let's go.
As of right now, we already have
Ayan na.
2.1k viewers.
30
Guys,
seconds na
pa
lang.
1
Let's
million
go.
likes na natin to. 1M likes, so let's go.
Let's go, guys. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagsusupport. Thank you so much. Love you. Thank you, Siege. Thank you, guys. Sige,
20 seconds pa for ang
Huwag na
get.
kayo mahiya.
You can
Ilayo
still
nyo na
send
dyan.
icons.
Thank you so much, Kay!
Wow, nagpa-flying
I
jet
love
si
you
Kay.
so much. Wow, Sky!
Oy,
may airplane!
private
Thank you so
jet.
much!
Kanina flying jet, ngayon naman private jet.
Private yacht naman!
Oy, private yacht naman daw.
Malaki ba yun?
Okay.
Try.
Guys,
Thank you, Kay. Thank you,
okay,
Sky.
ngayon i-compute. Lang po natin kung anong inabot,
Yung heart ko,
anong
nagiging
inabot ni
soft.
Angge.
Oh, kaya. Top 1 ang game. Mahirap na yan. Sige. Try.
Let's go.
Try.
Antay lang. Oy, si Sky.
Di ko alam kung
Sky,
para
comment.
saan yan.
Sky, you have to comment kung para kanina. Ay, ayun pala yung yung kanina rin, no?
Thank you po. Thank you. I love you so much.
Guys, we're computing now, guys, ha?
Thank
Pantay
you sa
lang po.
support. Mamaya, kapag bumalik ako dito, sige, iiyak ako. Para mas ramdam nyo. Sige. Pag nagtapan ako, magwawala ako. Mamaya, iiyak ako, guys. Thank you, Tux. Thank you po.
Wow, nagpapahabol pa si Tux ng pinch face.
Thank you.
Guys, tap the screen, ha? Share the live tayo dyan, ha? As of right now, we already have 2.4k viewers. Ipa 1M likes na natin to, guys. So, tap and share the live lang tayo dyan, ha?
Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you so much. Thank you po sa lahat na nag-drop. Sobrang love ko kayo. Alam niyo yan. Thank you po. Kapag umangat ako dito, babalik pa ako. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Sana maka-goal, no? Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Okay, now Angge is in our top 2 with 33,000. Chanel? Okay, now we will give Bobby 2 minutes to surpass Chanel.
guys. Hello. Thank you so much, my girl. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, my girl. Aww. Oh, parang ito tunog sa Squid Game kapag may mamamatay na. Parang sunod na ako, guys. May isa at isa talagang mawawal. I mean, may eliminate talaga sa amin. So, feeling ko tatanggapin ko na. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Ace Gifters. Thank you, Rain. Thank you, Mimay. Oh, ang lungkot. Pwede po ba pag na-eliminate ako, yung tugtog happy birthday para masaya pa rin. Oh, ayog mo ko.
Dentro me la luce che ha incontrato per strada. Time to say
Jagia, thank you, Jagia. Supportive no, hanggang dulo talaga nakaano siya eh, nanonood siya eh. Thank you, Jagia. Amy. Thank you.
Okay.
Player eliminated.
Para, eliminated.
Sorry, but Amy, you are eliminated. O yan, okay. So, andito na po tayo. Battle for MVP. Lorna, may we call you in our exclusive spotlight again. Lorna. Okay, but for now, I'm already congratulating both of them because one of them is already runner-up and one of them is already MVP. But as of right now, Angge have a chance. Angge have a chance to still be MVP if within her time she reaches the score of Lorna. Okay, now, Angge, timer ready, set, go!
Iba 50k nyo lang, masaya na ako. Mas dinamdam ko yung pagkawala ni Aki. Mas dinamdam ko yung pag-elimination niya eh. Pero mag-drop na kayo, ipa 50k nyo na lang ako. Sige no, yan na malapit na matapos.
50k lang daw, masaya na daw siya, guys.
Oo nga, ipa 50k nyo na ako para masaya ako. Oo, i-drop nyo na yung lion. Oo. Oo, pag binubuhat na yung kabaong. Sige na. Ay, thank you, Ali. Sige ba? Habol pa, baka ano ba naman.
Night Star from LA.
Layon na lang, layon. Sige, wag na. Pero sige na.
Last 10 seconds for Angge.
Anyway, thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-support sa amin since
Yung habol ba or
kanina.
baka 50k ba si Angge?
Maraming salamat po. I love you all. I love you all.
Okay, that's it for Angge. I-compute lang po natin. Kung gusto nyo maghabol dyan, maghabol pa kayo. Basta i-comment nyo lang kung para kanino. Pwede pa kayo mag-send ng any icons either for Angge or kay Lorna. Basta i-comment nyo lang. Okay, I'm sorry Angge, but you are eliminated.
Mabubuhay pa naman ako eh.
Player eliminated.
Wait lang. Take two. Take two.
You're alive.
Player eliminated.
Take it, trick.
Ayun. Bye-bye. Ala, dates na ako.
Please be true. In other words, I love you.
Oh guys, bibigyan din natin ng 1 minute si Lorna. Baka kasi meron pa kayong gustong ipahabol na icons for Lorna. Okay, Lorna, 1 minute. Ready, set,
Habol nyo.
go.
Ay, habol nyo. Guys, sige na, mawa kayo sa akin, oh. Lagi nangala ako, third wheel, fifth wheel. Ganon. O, diba? Thank you so much, Alvira. Thank you so much, baby boy. Thank you so much, Marcel. Thank you so much, Daniel. Thank you so much, Albert. Thank you so much, baby boy. Guys, more pa. Dali na. Habol niyo ako, guys. Kinakalaban ko sarili ko ngayon. Bakit ba? Kalaban ng sarili. Thea, ihabol mo ako, Thea. Utang na loob. Ihabol mo ako, Thea. Kalaban ko ang sarili ko. Thank you so much, Marcel. Thank you, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much sa mga nag-drop ng icons. I love you all, guys. Maraming salamat. Olats man sa Love Life, panalo naman sa inyo. Kayo lang, sapat na.
Olats kasi. Olats kanino?
Wala akong Love Life. Tsaka hindi ko siya priority, no? Masakit sa ulo. Wow.
Olats sa Love Life, no? Lorna, Olats sa Love Life ng season 7, Olats din ng season 8, ganon?
Oo. Ay, hindi, may Love Life ako, Kuya Ray. Yung mga babies ko.
Tapos yung pagka-Olats ni Lorna, yung nandun na, nawala pa. Yung ayun na, nawala pa.
Thank you so much, guys. Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat.
Congratulations, Lorna. You won this game.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much sa mga nag-support sa amin, sa mga nag-drop ng icons. Salamat sa nagpa-goal sa akin. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Ate Galbi. Thank you so much. Sino pa ba yung nag-drop na iba? Sorry, guys. Basta sa lahat ng nag-drop, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal ko kayo. Guys, meron pala akong solo live ngayong Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, 9 a.m. Please support me there. Wednesday ng 9 a.m. Solo live yon. Kakantahan ko ulit kayo. Thea! Sige, Thea, wag mo akong kalimutan sa next spotlight. Sa solo ko. Love you, Thea. Ingat ka. Ang ginagawa mo, Thank you, guys. Salamat sa nag-support sa amin ngayong gabi. Donggugi pala yan. Donggul.
Okay, guys, so to award our runner-up and our MVP, Runner-up goes to Angge. Congratulations. Ayan. And our MVP goes none other than to Lorna. Galbi, thank you daw sa paano mo dyan. Nakagulat si Galbi, no? Okay, again, congratulations, Angge, Lorna. Kung meron man kayong mga gustong pasalamatan, I'll give the floor to you. And again, guys, maraming salamat po. At magkita-kita po ulit tayo sa ating exclusive. Bye-bye!
Thank you po sa lahat na nakag-support at sa lahat ng mga nanood. Maraming salamat po. We appreciate you and we love you. And see you ulit, guys.
Pinupunasan yung mic. Thank you again, guys. Thank you so much. Support niyo ulit kami sa mga susunod naming spotlight dahil walang katapusan to. Thank you so much, guys. Mahal namin kayong lahat. Bye-bye. Hey.